All right, just got back from Harrods and I bought a Xerjoff. So let's unbox this. Nice presentation, I might add. Also, they sprayed all of the tissue paper with a fragrance. It smells incredible. So they gave me a ton of samples, so I'll be able to work with those and see which ones I like. But here is the one that I got. It is an exclusive to Harrods only. It is called 6th floor. For those of you that don't know, the top of Harrods, they have a 6th floor, and it's only for fragrances. And it's really luxurious fragrances, and this was made just for the 6th floor. So you can only buy this at Harrods. So let's open this up. There we go. So this looks very similar to my Symphonium box. Oh, I like it. I like it. The plaque on it, 1717 6th floor, Harrods exclusive, made in Italy. I don't know if you can see that. I'll try and see if I can get that. And then we move away the paper. And come on, guys. Like, that's ridiculous. This is such a cool bottle. Check that out. I actually have it on me right now. It smells incredible. I'm so excited to have this fragrance. So cannot wait to talk more about this. It is a 50 ml. It was a little pricey, but hey, it's my birthday, so I figured I'd treat myself to something special. And I don't know what's more special than this. So excited to talk about this more often. Again, this is 6th floor by Xerjoff, only purchased at Harrods in London. So this is Nub's fragrance. Can't wait to talk to you. I have more fragrances I've purchased, so it'll be a really fun rest of the month to talk to everybody. So hope you have a good day. Thanks for following. Talk to you soon.